Hi everyone, good Nana here, and I would like just to show you what's going on after the snowstorm yesterday and the other day. That was last the 13th of February, and then yesterday. But today there's no snowstorm, but the wind blow very hard. And look at the surrounding. I'm not stay here for long because it's very cold. Look a second. I just turn out the camera. Second. Here you go. I'm gonna show you what is going on here. Look at that. This look like a mountain, but it's a snow going there. Oh hell. This one is very amazing. Oh my god. I'm gonna go outside and the other side, and this is where the way there looks like in the desert place. The wind blows, and it's not really funny at all. Oh my god, it's like a very big mountain, and everywhere is like awesome, but it's really cold. I think there's some more than 25 degrees outside, but because the wind blows very hard. So yeah. Hi guys, have a nice day and thanks for viewing. This video is brought to you by Good Bye.